everyone. I am in Columbus, Ohio. I'm here for one night. It's kind of like the going home video. So Neil and I drove from to meet you all from Lake City, Colorado, to to Colorado Springs, 5 hours, first day, because we rode all day that day, and then second day we drove from Colorado Springs to, oh my god, I'm like forgetting already, somewhere in Missouri, and this is our third day. We're in Cleveland, Ohio, and he's back at the hotel room. I'm getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning. He wants to go do a bunch of stuff in West Virginia and PA, and I want to go home because I have work to do. So I am, because of that, it's cool. Red on red? I don't know. Ohio people, let me know. So I am going out for sushi, although with COVID, it's like to get to go, and then like I'll get it to go and then like eat on a park bench or something. Oh, it's right there. There? Yeah, there it is. Well, that's how they seat me, or will serve me. We'll see. I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, I lied. It's 5 a.m. So last night I got my sushi to go. I literally ate it outside on a park bench. And got to bed probably around 12-ish, because I'm going to read the news and stuff for bed. Neil and I chatted for a bit, and then I got at 4 a.m. The reason I'm not leaving until 5:14 is because I don't want to screw around with things after I kind of load up. So I take a lot of time in the morning, you know, installing. I have to stuff the bags, install them on the bike. One of the Moscow bags is torn, a brand new one, so I had to kind of take extra care to make sure to pack stuff on there that's lighter. So, 5:14, leaving Cleveland, Columbus. Catch you guys later. It's Lake Erie, I think. Yeah, it's Lake Erie. Huh. I've never seen it during the day before. I've always seen it at night. Well, not seen it at night. I've known it's over there, but not seen it. Oh man, I'm so tired. Just got the first tank of gas. Yeah. Jamming the music. 500 miles to go. Oh man. Well, we passed through Troy, New York now. Almost to Vermont. It was a long day. Basically, it was just like one road north from Columbus to Erie, Pennsylvania, and then one road east from Buffalo all the way to Albany. Now we're on back roads, which so the Northeast doesn't have like east to west highways. Well, there's no way to get from Portland, Maine to or Bangor, Maine, or Laconia, New Hampshire, or Burlington, Vermont, or Stowe, Vermont. You can't connect the dots. There's no way to get from east to west, west to east. on an interstate. It's all these kind of roads. So even though I'm only 120 miles from home, it's gonna take me 3 hours because it's this. Little towns, big towns, people turning left, people turning right. I wish there was an interstate from Troy to Portland that basically allowed me at least to get, like, you know, 30 minutes south of my house and then head on the interstate north of my house. A connector. But it'll never happen at this point. It's not gonna happen. So, 3 hours this and I'm home. Well, I am back in town. What a day. Let's see what we did for miles today. We'll be with about 780 miles total over 11 hours. That's a lot of miles. That's slow, but it's because New England is just slow. That's all there is to it. Ooh, average MPG of 42.7. And it's not average speed of 68. Yeah, pretty good. What a trip. I'll talk more about it in another video. I mean, I haven't really had a chance to decompress yet. I'll definitely, you know, I'll talk about the trip during the trip. So like the videos I'm gonna edit this weekend, all weekend in between work. Yeah, I know it's a holiday weekend, but I don't get holidays. This weekend I'll edit the videos, and that'll be my chance to tell some stories. It's a great time though. Thanks Harry and Neil for having me, and Rosie. Oh, I'm tired. My butt hurts.
Very nervous. He stopped at the end of the stairs to look. How is it? Why is your... Who is it, Porter? His tail's going a little bit.
He doesn't really.
Come on.
That's my gear. He's afraid of this thing.
Okay.
Bye,
That
Porter.
wasn't fun.